Hello, I'm Sean the dog, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your LinkedIn profile to show that you work for both Avero and the client organization that you're working for on behalf of Avero. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I'm the Fetch Director at Direct Technology. I already have my account set up in the way that Avero would like it set up. Go ahead and scroll down to your Experience section on your LinkedIn profile. And as you can see on my screen here, I already have it set up the correct way. So it shows that I work for Avero from my start day to the present. And simultaneously, it shows that I work for Direct Technology, the client organization, from my start day to the present. Let me show you exactly how I set this up. When you do it, you'll want to hit the plus button. In my case, I'm hitting the little pen button because I already have it set up. I have my title in here. I have the client organization set up as the company, my location. Make sure this box here is checked that says I am currently working in this role, and you have the correct start month listed here. Here you'll want to select update my headline, and it'll show that what your position is at the client organization. In your description, you'll want to put really you'll want to set it up however you would like it to be. This is where you can really be creative and say, I'm doing this, this, and this, working on this awesome project at this awesome organization. So once you have that, a good few sentences is always recommended there. You can scroll down, upload any photos of you working on projects at this client, any presentations, anything you're proud of there. And then always make sure that you click share with your network and hit save. So once you have that, you'll have updated and added your client organization. You'll need to go over and add Avero as your employer too. Now, like I said, I already have it added. In your case, you would hit the plus button. I'm hitting the little pen. And you'll add almost all the same information to this. Only things that are going to be different are obviously you'll have Avero as your employer, the company. And when you scroll down, make sure that the box here is checked that says you are currently working in this role. And then the start date is the same as the client organization. And next, you're going to want to make sure you look at these checkboxes here, update my industry, make sure it's unchecked, update my headline, make sure it's unchecked, because we've taken care of that within the description of your client organization. So scroll down to description, and we've made this super easy and user-friendly for you. In order to fill that in, we've provided you a blurb that you can copy and paste from the PDF, the Add Us as Your Employer PDF that we provided in the last email that you actually were able to access this video through. So you go down to step 3, and then you're going to want to highlight all the text there, Control C or right click copy, go back to the description, Control V or right click paste, and just take a look here and make sure you proofread everything in here, as there are places for you to put in information. Anything within the brackets here are places that we'd like you to fill in. So as a talent acquisition consultant at Avero, I'm dedicated to helping my enterprise client, and then company name here. So for me, I would put enterprise client Direct Technology. And next you'll want to check out this section where it says we focus on building and maintaining pipelines of qualified engineering candidates. You have the option to add other types of candidates that you are seeking out actively. If you're not doing engineering candidates, you can take that out as well. But you can go comma, project manager, comma, .NET developers. Just make sure you put an and .NET developer if it's your last one. .NET developer candidates. Erase this little section here. And you are done. Make sure you click share with your network. Make sure that's turned on. Click save. And boom, it's taken care of. You are now actively an employee of Avero and your client organization. And that's a wrap. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Remember, the Avero values: stay uncommon, culture wins, and family first.